Hello, viewers all over the world. You are all welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone where you are watching me from right now. Thank you so much for stopping by once again, and may God bless you. On today's power part information and the recipe or spiritual tips, we are going to be talking about how you can end every evil spell, what you can do to liberate yourself from every spell that is causing sicknesses, diseases, every spell that they has cast on you that is causing delay, stagnation, barrenness, rising and falling, disappointment, hatred everywhere. Nothing that you lay your hand that works out. This is because you are under a spell. This is because you are under manipulation of the evil people. But I am here to put an end to that long suffering that you have been suffering, that nobody is talking about. Yes, we have a lot of YouTubers on the YouTube platform, but no one is a magician. That is what I want you to know. It all requires your faith and my faith, because faith cometh by hearing the word of God. And practice, they said, make it perfect. So on today's spiritual part information, we are going to be talking about Kolanut and the importance of Kolanut and how you can use Kolanut to break every evil spell. But before I go on that, I would like to introduce myself. For those of you who are just coming in contact with this face for the very first time, for those of you who are just seeing this channel for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima Mata Prince. I am the bona fide finder of Chima Mata Spiritual Tips, where we cure all kinds of spiritual problems and where we help people in solving their spiritual problem. And if this is your first time of being here, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button by your right hand side down below this video. Turn on the notification bell to all so that when I post a new video, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my video and God bless you. And for you, my old and new subscribers, my bona fide viewers, I say may God Almighty continue to bless you. Those of you that are my backbone, those of you that has been here starting from day one, those of you that has been practicing my spiritual tips and has been coming up with testimonies, I give you thumbs up and double twale for you people. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being here. Thanks for encouraging me. Thanks for trusting me in money and in kind. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. And I pray that God in heaven should let your destiny helper to locate you. As long as you hearken unto the voice of the prophet and you practice with me, this year the sky is going to be your stepping stone. I am here to bring liberation to the world for those who have ears, because I am only here to waken up the lions from their slumbers. I am not here for the sheep. So be informed of that. If you doesn't like my teachings, it's your business. English is not my language. I have to say it the way it is. So you have to manage my English and put your ears on the ground, and you will learn something to help your life on this particular channel, on this part of information. Like today's own, we are going to the olden days, to the ancient days. What the ancient days use to curse people, what they use to liberate people, what they use to attack people, and what they use to set people free. That is what we are going to use in today's recipe, in today's spiritual power part. So if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please, I urge you and I beg you in the name of God for you to subscribe to my channel and for you to like my videos. Feel free to comment on the comment section. If there is any video you want me to do on here for people to benefit from, just write it on the comment section. And if there is any problem you need me to solve for you, my number is on my YouTube channel, and you can also get it on here, +234 7088136610. That is my number. Any other number apart from that is a scammer. Don't come and tell me I call this person and I send money for him or her and I didn't get anything. That is not the way I work. And we have our own spiritual materials for sales. Yes, we have our spiritual materials for sale. In case things are not moving fine for you, things are not working the way they are, we have our cost-breaking soap, we have favor soap, we have love and affection soap, we have success soap, and we have the Equable Plus Detox. In case you are going through a battle, you have ate something in the dream, and that thing has turned your lives upside down, you don't hesitate to call on me on any of my spiritual products. I am going to start advertising them in my next video. So stay cool and make sure you watch this video to the end. Now it is time to let the cat out of the bag. Relax and adjust your seat. I am here on how to break every evil spell, every foundational spell, every maternal spell, any spell that is working against you. You that are watching me here now, get me a single kola nut, native kola nut that has 4 faces or 3 faces. That is what you are going to use to break that evil spell that they has cast on you, that is causing you not to move forward in life, that is bringing sicknesses and diseases and affliction of the devil all over your family, all over your household. The spell that they have cast on your destiny, you that are doing fine before, all of a sudden, you are no longer in the screen to see. You have become from hero to zero. There is a spirit behind it. Somebody has cast a spell on your business that makes your business not to move, and is good for you to sit up and to take charge of yourself by yourself. You have to speak up. If this is kolanut, yes, we all know what kolanut is. They can use kolanut to tie your destiny. They can use kolanut to cast a spell on your marriage, on your relationship, on your business, on your destiny. They can use kolanut to destroy your life. They can also use kolanut to arrange your life. They can use kolanut. This kola you are seeing, you might be looking at it as a small thing, but it has a lot of spiritual energies and vibrations. Whatsoever you want, you can use kolanut to ask for it. Like Bible, you know Bible, we Christians, we always carry Bible. That is how native people, the native doctor, the traditional man, that is how they also carry kolanut, because kolanut represent Bible. Whatsoever you want to do with Bible, you can do it with it. Whether good or bad, you can do it with it. Same thing with kolanut. So how can you use kolanut to break every evil spell and forces against your life, against your marriage, against your business, against your destiny? You buy one kolanut, you have to sleep over it. Put it under your pillow and sleep over it. If you don't have a pillow, put it under your mattress and sleep over it. The next day in the morning, bring it out. Go to your door. Use it. Call your name 7 times. Call your mother's name 7 times. Call your village name 7 times. Call your ancestors' name 7 times. Do you know what I mean by ancestors? That is your surname. Your papa them. Call them 7 times. And you begin to speak. This is Kolanut. He that brings Kola brings life. Today, I have bring my life. I will never cast and carry. I will never suffer for what I will not know. I will never die before my time. Kolanut, you are the ancestors' power and mouthpiece. Every spell that has been cast on me, every spell that has been cast on my family, every spell that has been cast on my marriage, on my business, on my destiny, today, Kolanut, I speak as a servant. I speak as a child that is still sucking his mother's breast. And I come against every evil spell that has been cast on me by any man, by any woman, by any friend, knowingly or unknowingly, to whom it may concern. Every evil spell from my foundation, from my generation, from my paternal side, from my maternal side, every humanity spell that I have caused for myself, that is making me to suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant, that is making me causing rising and falling, that is making me not to move forward in life. Every spell that is causing diseases, afflictions, sicknesses upon my life, that any man has cast upon me, that any woman has cast upon me, for me to not move forward in life, for me not to attract good things, for people to be hating me. Today, I come against every evil spell as I use this Kolanut, as I break this Kolanut. Oh Lord, today I break every power, every evil spell that has been cast upon me from my generation, from my maternal side, from my paternal side, that is causing rising and falling, causing stagnation, causing leaking pocket, causing disappointment, causing failure in my life, causing sickness. Today, as I break up this Kolanut, oh God, I come against every spell and I return every spell to any man or woman that has made untrusts or incantation against my life, against my destiny, against my children, against my marriage, no matter who it may concern. Is it my brother? Is it my sister? Is it my friend? Is it my enemy that has cast a spell on me? Today, as I break this Kolanut, I break off from every spell and every boundary or spell against my life. You pray with all your heart. You pray your way out. You need to pray your way out. You know what you are going through. You know the kind of spell you are going through. Some people, they have cast a spell on you, spell of hatred. Nothing you do that will be good to people. People hate you. Some people, your business was going good before. All of a sudden, you see yourself coming from 0 to 0. There is a spell that you don't know of. But doing this today, after you have prayed, wave the Kolanut in your head 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then blow upon it 7 times. Call your name 7 times. Then you take this Kolanut to Y junction or T junction, any junction, you break it. Break it. Let me break this one. You break it. When you get to the Y junction, you break it. You see it? You break it like this. Then at the junction, you speak. I separate myself from every evil spell of any man, every evil spell of any woman to whom it may concern. Is it from my ancestors? Is it from my paternal side or my maternal side? Today, as I throw this Kolanut away, I discharge you people for you to go away from my life, then you throw the kola nut away on that 4 junction or 3 junction or 2 junction, anyone that you can find. Make sure you don't look back. Go to your house and you will see it will be like a load is lifted up from your body. Starting from that moment you do this, you will see different things begin to happen. You will dream, a different dream, starting from that day. If you are really going through a spell, this is the solution. Do this with faith. Yes, because without holiness, no eye can see the Lord. So it requires faith and holiness. No YouTuber is a magician. We only put the tips here to help people that need help. Then if you have done this, you are going through a spell, and you have done this, and it continues, know that you need to work on yourself spiritually. Yes, you need to work on yourself spiritually. I have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to comment on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription goes a long way to me. Even though you don't like my videos, just do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. And as you do so, God will bless you. And if you have anything that you need me to do for you, if you need my service, don't hesitate to call on me, as my number still remain +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my name. That is my number. And my name still remains Brother Chima Prince Mata. See you next on my next video. And God bless you.